Good afternoon, student. I am O.V. Ashish Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed about ZigBee protocol architecture diagram and different type of topologies of ZigBee. In this video, we discuss another short-range wireless technology, that means Z-Wave. Z-Wave is a wireless protocol harnessing low-energy radio waves to help smart devices or appliances communicate successfully with one another. Z-Wave is a wireless communication protocol developed primarily for use in home automation application. In this video, we discuss about some points: what is a Z-Wave, how it works, history of Z-Wave, protocol architecture of Z-Wave, advantages of Z-Wave, disadvantages of Z-Wave, application of Z-Wave. What is a Z-Wave? Z-Wave is wireless communication protocol used primarily in smart home networks, allowing smart devices to connect and exchange control command and data with each other. With the two-way communication through mesh networking and message acknowledgement, the Z-Wave protocol helps alternative power issues and bring low-cost wireless connectivity to home automation, offering a lower power alternative to Wi-Fi and longer range alternative to Bluetooth. Next slide is how it works. A Z-Wave network consists of Internet of Things, that is IoT, devices and a primary controller, also known as a smart home hub, which is the only device in a Z-Wave network that is usually connected to the Internet. When Z-Wave hub receives a command from a smart home application on the user's smartphone, tablets, or a computer, it routes the command to its destination device across a network of up to 232 devices, including the hub. The Z-Wave protocol operates on the low frequency, that is 908.42 bands in US and 862.42 megahertz band in Europe. Through the interface with other home electronics such as cordless phones is possible, the protocol avoids interface with the 2.4 GHz band where Wi-Fi and Bluetooth operates. The Z-Wave offers transmission rates of small data packets using throughout rate of 9.6 kilobyte per second, 40 kilobyte per second, or it also 100 kilobytes per second. History of Z-Wave. It was developed in 1999 by Copenhagen based on Genesis as an upgrade to a consumer light control system created afterward. It was designed to provide the reliable and low latency transmission of small data packets using low energy radio waves. You can see the protocol architecture of Z-Wave. The Z-Wave network compiled for two board categories of devices, one as controller or a master, and the other one is slave. The master ordinarily serves as a host of Z network to which other devices, that means slaves, can be connected. You can see one number is a controller. It is also known as master, and the number 2, 3, 4, 6 are the slaves, or it is also known as the end devices. This is the protocol architecture of Z-Wave. In typical wireless network, the central, that is controller or a master, has a direct one-to-one wireless connection to the node in the network. As useful as the arrangement is for those protocol, it creates the limitation around data transmission such that device A will not be able to interact with the device B if there is a break in the link between either of them and the master. This is, however, not the case for Z-Wave thanks to its mesh network topology and the ability of Z-Wave nodes to forward and repeat message to the another node. This ensures that communication can be made to every node in the network even when they are not in a direct range of controller. The Z-Wave network illustrate shows the controller can communicate directly with the devices 1, 2 and 4 while node 6 is outside its radio range. However, due to node 6 such that any message heading to the node 6 will be passed through the node 2. Nodes like a node 2 is a large network are described earlier. Node 2 will assume a repeater or forwarder status and extend the range of controller router, and they contribute to the feasibility and robustness of Z-Wave network. To determine which of the route message should travel to reach to a particular node, that is Z-Wave node network use tool called as routing table. We can see the routing table in the previous slide. Routing table. Every node in a Z-Wave network is a table to determine the other nodes, called as neighboring nodes, in its direct wireless coverage area and during inclusion or the later. The node informs the controller about these neighbors. Using the list of the neighbors from each node, the controller creates a routing table that is used to map routes to the node that are outside of the controller direct wireless range. It is important to note that not all nodes can be configured as forwarder. The Z-Wave protocol only allows nodes that are plugged in to serve as a routing nodes. That means one number is a controller and another are the slaves. Controller, or one number is a controller, or it is also known as master, and the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the slaves. We can see that the node 6 are out of the range of 1. We can send message from 1 to 2, 2 to 5, and then up to the 6. In this way, the controller selects their path. Advantages of Z-Wave: the ability to support 232 devices in theory and at least 50 in a practice. Signals can travel up to 50 feet indoors, allowing for abstraction, and up to 100 feet unobstructed. The Z-Wave Alliance is made up of up to 600 manufacturers producing over 2,600 certified devices to ensure capabilities. Less interface due to the ISM band being used, less dead spot compared to other network thanks to the robust mesh topology. It is approachable and easy to use. Disadvantages of Z-Wave: the coverage is limited and hence required more Z-Wave device to cover large region. This increases the overall cost if more Z-Wave repeaters or routers are employed. The technology requires knowledge to keep it secure from unthroughout people. It supports only 3 topology structure. It supports limited number of nodes, that is 232, which is less than 65,000 nodes as supported by the Zigbee standard. Application of Z-Wave: smart hub, smart lighting, smart looks, smart sensor, smart home automation, security to alarm. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my video.